5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's up, buddy? Not much? Alright. So beautiful. Oh, who's that guy? You got like a foot there. Great, it would start raining right now. Hope it stops. Or Riley, do it. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh, boom, look at all that leverage.
Damn, dude. Alright. Yeah. Right, left, yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Old Paul.
Yeah. Shit.
Yep.
That's fine, that's the goal. Did I get you in the face?
No.
Okay.
See, that's why the Fumoto Valve is life.
Holy shit. Alright. Uh-oh.
It's raining pretty quickly. Let's look at the overflow, actually.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
I
want to get out of here. That's not good.
There we go. Hold on.
No.
It's really close.
Holy shit.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Hey, by the way, your oil looks like it's like wine.
Yeah,
like red.
It's still pretty like transparent-ish.
Okay, that was close.
Dude. I didn't get you, right? No, okay, good.
No.
I felt it like hit my hand and fly that way, but luckily the glove took all, look at that.
The brunt of the hit.
Beautiful. It didn't even get on my skin, one drop.
Actually, that's true. That's weird.
Look at that. Like, installation, you know, if anything.
Yeah, I've never done that, actually.
Yeah, you already had it on there.
I feel like it's gonna fall down into the
fine.
depths of hell.
Yeah, it's not raining.
Eat this real quick.
What?
Just no, actually, that.
To lube up the...
We're good. Yeah. Oil this up.
That's fine. Nice. Easy. Lost.
Alright, I think that's it. We're golden.
Nice.
Alright.
It's closed right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of missed the stock ride height, to be honest. Kind of missed the stock ride height, to be honest.
Really?
You just get over anything.
Yeah. That's why I'm worried about the coils. Like, I'm gonna do it eventually.
But then you look at the wheel, yeah.
It's so much nicer, yeah. You can tell right away, like, I've been paying attention, to, like, the gaps. And, like, that car's been lowered, When I was younger, I didn't really...
Care about that.
Yeah, the ones that were obvious were, like, the super slammed cars, and you'd be like, oh, that guy's car is low. But then you have cars like yours where, like, you don't know.
It's like borderline,
oh, it's
yeah.
just a car, but then you
Look a little closer. It's like the finishing touch.
there's no space between your wheel.
Your wheel gap, wheel arch. Come to me, baby. there's a nice little vlog for you guys. So we did an oil change on my friend's car, installed the Fumoto, used some Schaeffers, took my advice on that. Good job, buddy. So, otherwise, I think that's about it for today. Put everything back. Gotta work on the next video for you guys. Do like a showcase style video. So, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.